How's it going, everyone? Byron here with Rider's Domain. Today I'm wearing the Icon Raiden Watchtower Jacket. Now this is going to be the perfect piece for dual sport and adventure riders. The outside chassis is made from a Dynax Ballistic Nylon, and Icon rates this for mild to warmer conditions, so this is going to be a good spring, summer, fall jacket. If you're riding around in the cold too much, you're probably going to want to put on some additional layers underneath. And layering up isn't going to be a problem with this jacket because you get plenty of room underneath. This is Icon Sport Fit, so it's not as aggressive as their attack fit, and it's not as casual as a regular cut piece. So, you know, you get a little bit of form feel to it, but there's plenty of room inside. This is a large, this is my typical size, and you know, it's comfortable, the arm length is good, but there's definitely room for, you know, a long sleeve, a thermal undergarment, something like that. If you find yourself riding in the warmer temperatures, you've got plenty of ventilation options with this jacket. Starting down here at the sleeve, you can open this zipper up and just have the vent, or if you're putting on gloves or you want to have a loose cuff, you've got that option as well. Both sleeves also have vents on the upper arms, nice and big and open, gonna push a lot of air through. You also get these really big chest vents out front too. This is gonna push a lot of air, and both sides have these nice little quick access pockets as well, giving you a little bit more storage. And if you need to store even more stuff, you've got two zip closed hand warmer pockets on the front here. You also have a large rear cargo pocket out back. And that's going to be really nice for when you store your sleeves, because both of these sleeves are detachable. And if you want to adjust the fit at the waist, you do get some Velcro pull tab adjusters as well. Icon also provides you with some decent impact protection in the form of D3O protectors in the elbows, in the shoulders, and in the back. You get a back pad with this jacket, which is a really nice added value to this. It's usually an upgrade with other jackets. And if you take a look inside, you're gonna see a satin core vest liner. It zips in, it's got some button snaps in the back to keep it nice and in place. You also get an interior pocket over here on the side in case you want to stash away your cell phone while you're tooling around in the woods. If you need some more storage space, you've got this mesh pocket in here. It's perfect size for some snacks, a water bottle, something like that. I'd toss a bag of beef jerky in there and be good to go. If you want to know more about the Icon Raiden Watchtower Jacket, follow the link in the description where you'll find full product specs, color options, and sizing. And be sure to subscribe to Rider's Domain for more product spotlights and motorcycle reviews. Trail mix. No, that's wrong. Beef jerky. That's the one I want.